Hi guys, welcome back to the new video of Easy Tutorials. Today in this video you will see how to create a website using HTML and CSS. As you can see on my computer screen, here I have one demo web page. First we have logo, some menu and one search box. In the right corner you can see there is a shopping bag icon, and in the left side you can see some social media icons. Then we have some title, description and one attractive button. In the right side you can see one image. At the bottom there are two buttons also, and you can see some patterns in the background. So you will learn to create this web page using HTML and CSS in this video. Before starting this video, please hit the like button and also subscribe if you are new on my channel. Now let's start this tutorial. Here you can see one folder, and in this folder I have some images and I have two files, one HTML file and one CSS file. Let me open this file with my text editor. So this is my HTML file and this one is CSS. You can see I have already connected the HTML file with CSS with this line of code. Next I will come to the body area, and first we will create one div. Then class name I am writing wrapper. Let's create one more div, and this time I am writing class name top bar. Now we'll create one more div and the class name I am using logo. Now I am adding one image, so img source and the file name. Let's open this HTML file with Google Chrome so that you can see this logo on this web page. Let's come back to the HTML file, and first we'll copy this class name wrapper, add it into the CSS file. For this one we'll write height 100 VH. Next we'll copy this class name top bar, and let's write width, it will be 80%, and height 50 pixel, margin 20 pixel auto. Now you can see some space from the left side. Let's copy this class name logo, and for this one we'll write width 20% and float left. Let's write it again, then write img. For this image width will be 150 pixel, margin 8 pixel auto, cursor pointer. So after reloading this page you can see a small logo. After this div we'll create one more div, and the class name I am writing menu bar. Now we'll add some menu, so I am using ul then li. Let's write the menu title, it is home. Let's duplicate this one and simply change the name. So second one I am writing services, next is blog, next office, and the last one is contact. Let me change this one. I'll write about. So after reloading this page you can see all this menu on this web page. Now we'll copy this class name menu bar, come to the CSS file, and for this menu bar we'll write width 60 pixel, float left, text align center. Just copy and paste it, then write ul and li. Display inline block. List style will be none, and text decoration it will be none. Color it will be black, margin and padding top. Let's reload this page. Now you can see this menu over here in the center. Now I want to change the font style. For that, come to the Google and search for Google Fonts. Open the first website. And here you can see one search box. So here we'll search Josephine, and just click on this plus icon. Open this pop-up and just copy this link. Just copy and add it into the head of your HTML file. Again come to the website and just copy this line. Font family, and let's come to the CSS file and we'll add it here. That's it. Save these changes and reload the web page. Now you can see a different font style for this menu. Now we'll come back to the HTML file and here we'll write one class name active. Copy this class name and come to the CSS file. Again we'll copy this one and paste it here. Here we'll write border bottom 2 pixel solid and this color. After reloading this page you can see this border bottom color. We'll change it to border top. Now you can see this color in the top. Here we'll write hover. Now you can see top color on the first menu only and you can see color on other menu when I will take cursor over the menu text. Now come back to the CSS and here we'll write cursor pointer. Reload this page and you can see this hand icon when I will take cursor over this menu. Again come back to the HTML file and after this div we'll create one more div and the class name I'm writing search box. In this search box I'm creating one more div and the class name I'm writing input search. Let's write input type text placeholder search. Next we'll add one more div and class name I am using search icon. Here we'll put one icon, so I am using span. Now we have to add the font awesome icon. For that we'll come to the Google and search for font awesome CDN. Open this website and copy this link. Just copy this link and come to the HTML file and just duplicate this line and replace this style.css. Paste the URL that you have copied. That's it. Again come to the Google and search for font awesome icons. Open the first website and here in the search box you can search any icon that you want to use on your website. So I will write search. Just copy this link and paste it into the HTML file. We can remove this one. That's it. Save these changes and let's reload the web page. Now you can see this search box and one search icon. Let's copy this search box and come to the CSS file. For this one we'll write width 20% float right. Let's copy the second class and for this one we'll write margin, then display and border. It will be border bottom. Now you can see border bottom color only. Just copy and paste it again, then write input. So for this input we'll write float right, padding 5 pixel. Box shadow it will be none and outline none. Border 0. Background transparent. Now you can see there is no border for this search box. You can see one line at the bottom only. Now copy this class name search icon, add it into the CSS file, then write FA for this icon. So color it will be a blue color like this. So now we have completed the top bar. Again come back to the HTML file and after this top bar div we'll create another div and class name I am writing hero. In this div we'll create two columns. So first I am writing one div and the class name hero text. Duplicate this one and change the class name. It is hero banner. It is the second column. In the first column, we'll write one title in H1, then some text in P tag. After reloading this page, you can see this title and small text. Just copy this class name hero and add it into the CSS file. Write width, it will be 80%, then height and margin. After that, position, it will be relative. Now you can see some space from the left side. Let's copy this class name hero text, and for this one we'll write width, it will be 50%, it is the first column, height will be 100% and float left. Now you can see a small width for the first column. Let's copy it and write H1. So we'll add some margin, then line height. Now you can see some margin around this title. Just copy and paste it, then write after. So content, it will be blank, width 150 pixel and height 2 pixel. Let's add some background color. Top and left. Position will be absolute. So after reloading this page, you can see one line here after this text. Just copy it and write P. For this one, we'll add padding left and line height. So now you can see proper alignment for this P text also. After that, we'll add one icon. So here we'll write a span. In this span, we'll add image, source and the file name. Let's add one class name also, play btn. And after that, we'll write text, watch video. Reload the web page and you can see this icon and this text. Just copy this class name and next we'll copy the class name play btn. Width will be 50 pixel and border radius 50%. Cursor pointer. Margin 0 30 pixel and 0 70 pixel. Vertical align middle, box shadow. We'll add some shadow here. Now you can see some different alignment. Next we have to add some margin. So let's copy this class name and write a span. So we'll add display table and margin 50 pixel auto. So now you can see some space from left side also. So let's make it 0. Now you can see proper alignment for this play button and this text. Let's copy it again and write after. And again we'll write content empty. Width will be 110 pixel, height 2 pixel and background top 400 pixel, left 170 pixel and position absolute. So after reloading this page, you can see one underline for this button text also. After that, we'll come to the second column, that is banner hero. Here we'll add one image. So I'm using img, source and the file name. Let's copy this class name and come to the CSS file. For this one, width will be 49%, height 100% and float right. Text align center. Let's copy it again and write img. So for this image, width will be 100% and margin 100 pixel auto. So after reloading this page, you can see this image in the right column. After that, we'll add some link at the bottom. So after this div, we'll write small and B. And here I'm writing text, explore more Let's copy and paste it again. So this will be different text, trending. So now you can see these two text at the bottom in the left side. So just copy this class name wrapper and add it here, then write small. So for this one I'm adding some margin from the left side. Let's copy it again and write B. Margin right, it will be 50 pixel. So after reloading this page, you can see proper alignment for this text also. Next, I will add one shopping bag icon in the right corner. So after this, a small will write one div and the class name I'm using shopping box. And here we'll add one icon. So simply copy this one and add it here. Next, I will change the icon name. If you don't know the name, you can go and search on Font Awesome website. So after reloading this page, you can see this shopping bag icon here. Let's copy this class name and add it into the CSS file. So for this one, we'll add width 150 pixel, height 200 pixel, right 0 and top minus 80 pixel, position absolute. Let me make it 0 for now. So you can see this shopping bag here at the top right corner. Next we'll add background, image, linear gradient and two different color. Now you can see gradient color in the right corner. Just copy and paste it and write .fa for this icon. So I'm writing font size 25 pixel and color white. Bottom it will be 60 pixel. Right 70 pixel. Cursor pointer and position absolute. So now you can see this white color icon. Now we'll add some border radius. Now you can see border radius for this block. Next we'll make it minus 80 pixel. So now it is properly aligned at the right corner and it is looking very beautiful. Next we will add social media icon in the left side. So just come to the HTML file and here we'll create one div and the class name I'm writing social icons. In this div we'll add multiple icons, so I'm using UL then LI. In this LI we will add icons code, so simply copy and paste it and let's duplicate this one to create multiple icons. Now we will change the icon name, so first one is Facebook square. Next I'll write Instagram and the third one is Twitter and the next is Pinterest. After reloading this page, you can see all these icons at the bottom left corner. Let's copy this class name social icons and add it into the CSS file. For this one, we'll write some width and height. Left, it will be 0 and top 150 pixel. Position absolute. Background image, simply I will copy this one. Let's reload the web page and you can see these icons over here. Let's copy it again and after that write UL. Display, it will be block and color white. Margin top and margin left. So it is looking like this one. Let's copy it again and write LI. So list style, it will be none and margin top will add 30 pixel. So it is looking like this one. Let's copy it again and then we'll add .fa for these icons. So font size we will write 22 pixel and cursor pointer. Z index 1. Now you can see increased font size for these icons. Next we will add some border radius. So let's come to this class name and here we'll write border top right radius, and let's duplicate this one and change it to border bottom right radius. Let's change the value also. So now you can see some border. Let me add one more. So simply duplicate and change it to border bottom left radius and change the value. Now it is looking like this one. Next we have to move it in the left side. So just come back to the CSS file and here we'll write left minus 70 pixel. So now it is looking like this one. So finally we have completed the social media icons also. Next we will add some bubbles pattern in the background. So here we'll add img, source and the file name. Let's add one class name also. So I'm writing bubbles outside. So you can see this pattern here at the bottom. Let's copy this class name and add it into the CSS file. So width will be 120 pixel and opacity it will be 0.1. Let's write bottom 55 pixel and left 120 pixel. Z index -1 because it will be in background and position absolute. Now you can see this pattern at this position and it is in very less opacity. Let me add one more pattern. So simply copy this one and we'll add it here in the hero. Just change the class name bubbles inside. Let's copy this class name in the CSS file. Simply copy this one and add it here. Next we will change the opacity, it will be 0.2 and instead of bottom we'll write top 130 pixel. Left it will be 470 pixel, that's it. So now you can see one more pattern over here. So finally we have completed this web page using HTML and CSS. If you have any doubt about this video, you can ask me in the comment section. Please like this video and thank you so much for watching this video till the end.